connect to the Wi-Fi. Man, we're live, guys. I had to connect with my YouTube community. I told them on Facebook, okay, I'm going to be gone for a little bit because we were celebrating Courtney's birthday. So if you want to see the picture of Lucy's fried chicken, but I've never done the room reveal on YouTube. So this is the room reveal. This hotel is really cool. This is the front door is behind me, but I'm just gonna probably flip the camera around. You might see Courtney Reed. Won't mind her. There she is. Hey, Courtney. Hey, Courtney. Cool. We got one thumbs up. No one's watching. That's great. You guys can watch a replay. This is kind of cool. It's like a loft situation. These are my clothes right here, the jeans and the shirt, because last night we got a little crazy, guys. Well, at least I did. I got a little crazy, probably around midnight. I jumped in the pool with my clothes on, okay? We're trying to have fun for our birthday, right? So it's a good thing. So they're hanging up, but like that's like where you get to hang your clothes in this place. It's like it's a really small room. It's really cool. You got the safe there. You guys are familiar with, well, maybe you are, maybe you aren't. The famous white boots that we did some serious retro work on these things to fix them up at VidCon 2022. All right, you got your small little area right here. Bathroom's pretty cool, man. Let me see if they got a light. Bathroom's pretty cool. Just, typical bathroom. Dude, shower. Oh yeah, one thing about this place, the doors. Look how tall the door is, guys. It goes all the way to the ceiling. They're freaking tall doors, man. And so look at the shower. It's a really tall door, right? And it's a pretty cool little shower. We'll do the view in a minute, guys. Everyone needs to calm down. We'll do the view in a minute. There. So, the pretty cool little shower head. The shower wasn't like it wasn't bad. But I got nothing to brag about it, except it looks cool. The shower does look pretty cool, man. It's kind of like you could see through it, but not really, but kind of, but pretty much, but not really. Dude, selfie opportunity. Hey, guys. So, okay, so yeah, it's got a nice little dining area here, little thing there. And then it's got like a built-in carpet. It's kind of set into the floor. Pretty cool. Oh, check this out. Guitar players will love this. I think I could turn a light on right by it. Look at this, guys. Marshall amp-inspired Bluetooth speaker that I couldn't freaking figure out how to hook up to, but it's still cool. It's still cool, guys. It's got the little Marshall knobs and everything, man. I think it's made by Marshall. It's pretty cool. Hey, Sonia Laura, how you doing? Welcome. Yeah, so I've taken a few days off to celebrate a very important birthday, guys. And so that's what I'm doing now, and that's why I didn't stream last night or the night before. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's Ripper Madness, how you doing, man? See, it's people like you, Ripper, who you see me most nights I stream. And I'm like, you just disappear for 3 or 4 days. Ripper Madness might be like, where the heck did Charlie go, right? And so it's people like you I wanted to go live and let you guys know, man. Jeffrey Miller, what's up, dude? Sammy Hagar, yeah, man. I've heard that before. You know what? I've been called a lot worse than Sammy Hagar. Should we show outside the window? Do you guys want the view reveal? It's not that great, guys, but it's not bad.
It's a huge window.
It's a big.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's gonna be like that in an airplane. In an airplane, when they say like close the windows to keep it cooler. This will make it hot. The clouds look beautiful, man. See, if you go out and look up, you guys want to stare at the sun? Ow, it hurts my eyes. So, you can just see the other stuff, guys. Yeah, man. And so we got a cool room, guys. The furniture, little stuff like this. It's just got, the place is very well put together.
Elevator.
With the color, I know I kind of want to do, but I'm kind of afraid to go out in the wild. You guys want to see the elevator? I might call the elevator, but not take a ride on it. I kind of want to show them the hallway too. You guys want to go in the hallway? This is crazy, man. This is crazy. Okay, guys. If I stop talking, it's because there's going to be someone there. Wait, hold on. I got to be sure I have a key, guys. Courtney said show you the elevator.
I'm in here, so.
You'll be right here? Okay. Is there an emergency button for end live video? Oh, Ripper said, I said happy birthday to Courtney on your Facebook post. Oh, Ripper, cool, very cool. Gets 6th date revealed, Aniket. Where are you from? I am in Texas. Texas, United States. Hope you're enjoying your mini vacation. We are, man, we are. Okay, guys. What's cool about this place? Let me show you. It's like, it's got style like just like you see the walls. Even the walls in the hallway are like rounded and stuff. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty cool. But we're gonna take the elevator, see if we can take it down, and I'm gonna show you guys the elevator, okay? The inside of the elevator, because it's kind of cool. I'm gonna have to do it quick though. Musicians are gonna love this. It's very cool. It's very cool. We didn't know who one of the, well, you'll see. I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys. Hold on. Good, there's no one here. Okay, you got this artwork. There's Janis Joplin. There's Stevie Ray Vaughan. And there's Willie Nelson. Both elevators are almost the same, guys. They're not exactly the same. Oh, excuse me. But they're almost the same. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool art. And the guy on the left, his name is Gary Clark Jr. I'm gonna knock on the door, let her open it, so I have to get the key out. So yeah. Gary Clark Jr. He's a guitar player, famous guitar player that was born in Austin, Texas. So it's thematic because he's a yokel. Kind of cool, huh, Ripper? Do you have any insight on that? Oh wait, sorry, I meant to say GTA 6 date revealed. No, I don't know anything about GTA and what is coming. I heard. Wait. Didn't I just see something from IGN that they said they are? They're not saying yet. They're gonna tell us soon or something like that, right? Yeah. It's so funny because I so don't play GTA, but I consume a lot of content, man. And I think I saw something on Instagram from IGN saying they're not giving the date yet. Yeah, man. So Ripper, dude, I'm glad I got to catch you and let you know that we are not at the computer to stream gaming right now. And I should be able to go live tomorrow night. That's my goal to get back. If not, I'll be back like Monday for sure. And we got to finish Dark Souls, and we've got some Elden Ring playthroughs that I'm having fun doing. And so we got plenty of stuff to do when I get back. Guys, thank you guys for being here. John said P. Diddy is in the hallway. No, they locked him up, man. We're safe. Marked safe from P. Diddy, okay? I just marked myself safe from P. Diddy. It's freaking hilarious, man. Supreme said race you down the hallway. Dude, if you were here, dude or dudette, if you were here, I would totally race you down the hallway. I'd probably lose too. I mean, I'll try. But I ran into a cousin at a funeral over a year ago that I hadn't seen in many years. And he said, I remember you were so fast when you were young. I'm like, things Charlie's never heard in his life. People talking about his athletic accomplishments, okay? He was like, you were the fastest man. We were just running around, racing around and playing around in the backyard, and you were like lightning, man. You ran so fast. I'm like, that's what you remember about me? That's great. I loved it. It made me feel good, actually. So I might have a chance to win the race. I don't know, man. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm going to let you guys go. Thank you guys for being here. Thanks for checking out the room reveal, which I like to do on these trips. And I'll see you guys back live probably tomorrow night. Thank you guys. If you guys want some gaming stuff, just right here at Charly Sardo Gaming, there's lots of shorts. There's lots of content. There's videos. There's lives. You could just put a live on and, if you're cleaning the house, believe me, we get some 5-hour Elden Ring streams. You could clean the house too. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Sweet glasses. My name is Mud. Thank you. My name is Mud. I appreciate that very much. They come in brown and blue. And I used to say they're available on my website. But all my Amazon links on my website disappeared. But check out the blue ones. They come in a 3-pack. And I think it's like $18 or $19 for 3 of them. Maybe 20. And they're cool. They're readers. So, for reading. And they're not like $2 glasses. They're nice. I love them. And they're cool. They're cool looking, right? All right, man. Thank you. I'm going to end it. Love you guys. Okay, I've never ended the stream on YouTube before. There's a little X, there's some dots, share, cancel. I'm guessing here. Are you sure you want to stop streaming?